Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome recipe and it's a strawberry roll. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, you'll need to separate whites from the yolks, and here you'll use 4 whites. And let's mix it at first and add 80 grams of sugar. When the consistency gets to this, you should add the yolks. And after, you can add the 100 grams of flour. And mix it very carefully. After, you can spread it out on your baking sheet using a baking paper at the bottom. Then put it into the oven for 15 minutes in 180 degrees Celsius. After, when it's done, take off the baking paper and roll it with a towel. Then let it cool. Now let's do the filling. Add 150 grams of cottage cheese, 150 grams of strawberries, 50 grams of sugar, and 5 grams of vanilla sugar. When the roll is cooled down, take it off of the towel and put the filling in. And spread it out. Then roll it out very carefully. Put it into a plastic to let it sit, and put it into your fridge for about 2 hours. After, you should plate it, and I plate it this way just because it's more beautiful this way. It looks amazing and tastes even better. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.